Yeah. Hey, what's going on? This is Alex from MotorLife.com. And what's the first thing you think of when you think of a folding e-bike? Probably not a full-size fat tire mountain bike. Check this thing out. This is the G-force S23. If you guys are ready, let's get into it. All right, guys, what's going on? So today we have the S23 by a company called G-force. This is a, like I said, full-size fat tire mountain bike that folds in half. This one's sporting a 48-volt battery right at 10 amps that pushes this 350-watt motor in the back. Now, honestly, this one's right at 350, but this does not feel like a 350-watt bike. Closer to that 750 range, which is nice to see. So this one does have dual mechanical disc brakes here, a full suspension, nice shocks up front with this nice mono shock right there. Look at that beast. Now, you can see the controls up here. Not a whole lot going on with a touchscreen or anything, real basic but functional controls. Now this one you do have 3 different levels of speed assist. You still do have pedal assist, so you have throttle and pedal on this one with 3 different modes. You do have lights here, light built in up front with a nice little horn. Now, no rear light on this one. So you can see I actually picked up this awesome light set from Vont that comes with this real nice, real bright rear one, and then this awesome rechargeable front headlight. So shout out to Vont for sending me those. All right, so the main reasons why you buy this bike here, if you have, you live in an apartment somewhere that you have tight spaces, you have a car, not an SUV, because this guy actually folds in half. So you see this locking mechanism here. You do flip this guy up, unleash this lever there. All right, so once that lever is open, you can see all you gotta do is grab here and the handlebars, and this thing folds right in half and then has its own little stand right there. So perfect if you have to load it up in the back of the car or something. If you wanna take it on the go, not too light, not too heavy, so it actually perfect that it actually folds up and you still have a full-size mountain bike. Awesome little feature here, and one of the main reasons why you buy this guy. All right, so if you guys are ready, let's go ahead and take this thing for a spin down on the riverfront. So let me put my Pimios in sport mode and let's go. All right, so you see that thing is an absolute blast out there. So my final thoughts on the G-force S23. It is a nice all-around fat tire mountain bike. Perfect for these environments out here, out on the trail. The full suspension really helps out. That seat, kind of terrible, but once you get a new seat, this is an awesome bike for the price. These fat tires make it easy to go through pretty much anything. So if you need something to go on an adventure with that you can fold up and take with you, this is the bike for you. So make sure you check this out. So special thanks to G-force again, Vont and Pimeo. Make sure you subscribe down below, and I will see you guys on the next one. Deuces.